Shuaban long election MLA arja arpulai ka seng Trinamool Congress kalayo ya ka jingkarshan jong ki sanpungot ki Nongïalam bagi khot barim jong ka seng Garu Students Union ha ka bala priang sobai ki jaka minadi shira ka balong ka MLA jong kani ka seng kini ki Nongïalam barim jong ka seng Garu Students Union po ka jelam jong president jong ka Waskarul Sun Usalman di sangma kila ongru bagi jutrai ba ka seng National People's Party baik la rong ka seng Trinamool Congress nak mendapat pengklannya ka seng berkebjuru man penjob ya kani ka seng hakani election arjar arpulai kila ongru badai tengah pok ka jalam jong Dr. Mukul sangma baka jalam mekhlia kana ke syafrang rengkat ka jer tilang ber MLA jong kani ka seng kila kok bru baka seng Trinamool Congress kalong ka seng ka bajob bud ya ki MLA hakani ka election MLA arjar arpulai
prakko na nga dentang mancha ram chakso na pusyaga talo anchini leader Dr. Mukul Sangma anching ko dedalinga anchini party ni president ya Meghalaya adoko Sir Charles Pengrop tonga Dr. Mukul Sangma honorable LO Aroba ya party ko dedalingon wamang sakni senior leader ram dan tang mansa anching ko advice ka ay anching ko dedalingon anching nagdagdaman
good afternoon. Thank you so much for this time. Myself, Samani Sangma, former President, Garu Students Union, Western Zone South, Ampati. I am very happy to announce to all the people of Garu and Meghalaya. Today, 23rd January 2023, I have officially joined physically with my along with my supporters in front of the Madam Yanid Shira, Ampati MLA, and I would like to thank Mr. Richard Imara, who is candidate of South Chura, for organize this wonderful welcoming program. In this upcoming election, TMC will win by single majority party. I want to join in TMC party because I like TMC's ideology. TMC ideology are focused on secularism and federalism.